Now we want to discuss example 4.7a. We can see that actually we need to simplify this expression. And actually this is the sum of two fractions. 係兩個份數相加. And for the addition of fractions, what we need to do, first of all, is that we need to observe the denominator 分母 of these two fractions. We can see that the denominator actually is not the same. So what we need to do for the addition of fractions is that we need to change the both denominator into the common denominator 通分母. And how we can change these two denominator into the common? Actually, it's based on a technique is that whether you know that, okay, if you use the 2b minus a times negative 1, it will become a minus 2b. If we know these relations, what we can do is that we times the fraction at the back by a fraction, negative 1 over negative 1. But before doing that, just like what I showed you, please remember to add the brackets for the denominator or the numerator. So now we can do the operation now. For the fractions at the front, actually there's no change for that. But for the fractions at the back, after multiplying by the negative 1, the numerator 分子will become negative 2. And for the denominator, as we are using these relations, that will become a minus 2b. So now you can see that actually these two fractions are become the same. That is the common denominator. Okay, so after we have changed it, then we can add these two fractions together. It becomes the denominator is a minus 2b, and the numerator 分子 will become 3 plus negative 2. That is 3 minus 2 become 1.